Hello there, everyone. Have you ever heard of Synthesia? I think many people in the e-learning industry have used this to some extent. It's a pretty cool human avatar AI generated type of software. All you have to do is type your script in there and it will generate a video for you. You can use different people from different parts of the world with different languages, different accents, different clothing. I mean, it's amazing. So, you know what's even more amazing? Is that IDLance is a certified solution provider for Synthesia. Yeah, go check us out. You'll find us on synthesia.io in the solution provider section. So we'd love to make some really cool stuff for you. Check us out.
It was really scary. 1 minute I was fine. We were eating dinner as usual. Suddenly, I was slurring my words and couldn't hold onto my fork. Something was off. I tried to get up from the table and almost fell over. That's when she decided to call 911. The paramedic said I was having a stroke. I thought, that's impossible. I'm too young to have a stroke. But I was.
He was lucky that she recognized the early signs of a stroke and acted quickly. A stroke happens when blood supply to the brain is blocked, either by a clot or ruptured blood vessel. It's important to act fast to avoid damage or death. Either way, the condition is serious and time is of the essence. According to the CDC, 795,000 people have a stroke every year. 76% of those are new or first-time strokes. While the risk of stroke increases with age, as many as 10% are younger than 45. Stroke is the 6th leading cause of death in the U.S., which accounts for 1 in 20. In the event that you or someone around you might be having a stroke, you need to be fast. Knowing this acronym could save a life. B is for balance. It also refers to coordination, dizziness, or headache. Someone having a stroke may have difficulty keeping balance, walking, or even lose coordination. E is for eyes. This could mean double vision, blurry vision, difficulty seeing out of one eye, or missing vision. F is for face. It could look like drooping on one side, or numbness, weakness, or an uneven smile. A is arm. It can feel like numbness or weakness in one arm and difficulty raising both arms. S is for speech. This includes slurred speech and the inability to repeat a sentence or talk. These are all possible indicators that someone could be having a stroke. And lastly, T is for time. Time to call 911. If you see any of these symptoms, do not wait. A stroke means there is bleeding happening in the brain right now. Time lost is brain lost.
We got to the hospital quickly. The doctor gave me a medication that cleared the clot and prevented permanent damage. If my family hadn't responded right away, I don't know what might have happened.
The importance of Be Fast cannot be understated. It's a quick and easy way for you to recognize the signs and symptoms of a stroke, even when you're alone. Remember, balance, eyes, face, arm, speech. Time to call 911. Visit the link below to download a Be Fast reference guide to help you remember the signs and symptoms of a stroke. A stroke can happen to anyone, at any time, and at any age. Be fast and save a life. Possibly your own.